behind the story of Sembreak. Kaya huwag niyo pong kalilimutan that Sembreak will be streaming May 10th dito lang sa Viva One with fresh episodes every Friday. And also for 99 pesos, may weekly source ka na of kilig at takot. So please do download the app and subscribe na rin for only 99 pesos. Ayan, dahil tapos na natin ipasilip ang Sembreak, let us now proceed with the most exciting part of the day. And that is, of course, tawagin na natin ang ating star-studded cast and director, the brains behind our project, Sembreak. Ito na po. First, in this amazing lineup is a creative and well-rounded director known for his hit horror movies Mary, Cherry, Chua, and Marita. And this year he's also directing Viva One's upcoming 6-part horror series, Sembreak. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Direct Ronnie S. Benaid. Hello, Direct. May mga mic po tayo dyan sa gilid. Kausapin ka lang po namin ng saglit. Of course, congratulations sa iyong successful movies and now you have Sembreak. So, i-share nyo naman po sa amin kung ano ang dapat abangan dito sa series na to.
Salamat po sa pagpunta. Nakita-kita naman po tayo. Salamat po sa mga sumuporta sa amin sa pelikula namin, Mary, Cherry, Chua, and Marita. Sana supportahan nyo rin po kami dito sa Sembreak. Dapat lang po ninyong abangan ay number 1, it's summer trip para sa inyo, kilig trip para sa inyo, at syempre tilig trip dahil tatakotin din namin kayo. So, enjoy na lang po. Thank you po.
Yan. 3-in-1. Kilig, takot, at what was the other one? Summer trip. Okay, maraming salamat, Direct Ronnie. Next in line, we have these dynamic artists who will play significant roles in the series. Known for his works Kaliwaan and X, we have Felix Rocco. Also known for her works in Dark Star Dancer, Darkroom, and Gluta, we have Rose Van Jingle. And lastly, known for her role as Abby in Safe Skies Archer, we have Danny Z. Let us welcome them as Eduardo, Lydia, and Hasmin. Yeah, let's ask the three of them to please stay here sa ating center of the stage. So, tatanungin ko lang kayo, no? Kasi dito, you play a family, diba? So, paano kayo nag-build ng bond at saka rapport with each other before you shot Sembreak? Build ng bond? Paano ba tayo nag-build? Or wala ba kayong bond?
Kwentuhan lang kami, off-cam.
Oo, yeah. And ito naman, madali naman siyang makasundo agad kasi makulit. And very malambing. Yay! Si Danny, very vivo. Okay, maraming salamat. Felix, Rose, and Danny, you may now take your seats. Up next is a rising actor who will play the role of Timmy, ang laging kabangayan ni Cora. Pero grabe naman mag-care sa buong barkada. Please all welcome the talented and new face of the crew, Kian Johnson. Hi, Kian. You may grab the mic. Bati ka sa ating audience today.
Hello, what is up, guys? Thank you for coming out today. I hope you enjoy. Sit back, relax, and we'll answer your questions later.
Yeah, so I have one really quick question for you now. So, a lot of people are curious about your character, ano? So, how did you prepare for this role, if you may share with us?
Well, being a horror, besides, of course, you know, being in character by preparing, studying his little nuances and his relationship with the friends, of course, bilang horror team namin, syempre, notahan na naman ng mga horror series, horror movies, para at least, you know, medyo handa na ako na matakot. At the same time, pagdating sa mga co-stars ko, of course, syempre, laging chemistry ang goal namin doon as friends. So, of course, I hung out with them. And ironically, bilang syempre, new face ako, and this is my first time working with everyone. Surprisingly enough, it was so easy to work with the cast. Kaya, ayun, hopefully, kapag napanood nyo, makita nyo yung parang pagiging barkada namin sa series na to. Yeah.
Great answer. Maraming salamat, Kian. Abangan natin ang chemistry na yan on screen. Alright, up next is also a rising artist who is best known for playing Elise in Safe Skies Archer, na muli niyo makikita sa one of the most awaited university series installments, Chasing in the Wild. Pero bago yan, salubungin muna natin siya today as the hardworking Jessie in Sembreak. Please all welcome our beautiful Hyacinth Caliado. Hello, Hyacinth. Narinig ko from your fans. Perfect ang ganda mo.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone. I just want to say again, I'm excited to be here. I'm proud of all of the work that everyone has done, the cast and production and the teams who direct. So I'm very excited for all of us to talk about everything. Hi. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, and of course, you know your fans are really excited to see you. Of course, lalo na for Elise and Sevi. So, Hyacinth, ano ang dapat abangan bilang sa pagganap mo as Jessie?
Wait, can I sit? Or should I sit?
It's up to you.
I'll sit. I don't know if I should go into detail yet, but let's just say there's an exciting relationship dynamic that you will see from my character, Jessie. Should we go into detail of her character?
Just siguro ano lang, just lang. I think that's, yeah,
Okay.
that is perfect.
Yeah. In the friend group, she's like the mom of the friend group. You will see that she's the more responsible one who really loves to take care of everyone.
Great. Alright, we'll go into detail during the press conference. Maraming salamat, Hyacinth. Siyempre, kung nandito si Elise, narito rin ang Sevi niya. Joining us is a young and brilliant actor known for his role as Sevi in The Rain in España and Six Guys Archer. At oo, makikita niyo siya dito finally sa upcoming University Series installment na Chasing in the Wild. But before we meet him there, kilalanin muna natin siya bilang si Pipo, ang diligent at brainy scholar ng Sembreak Barkada. Let us all welcome Gab Lagman. Hi Gab, please grab a mic there. Yan.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang hapon. Maraming salamat po for giving your time to be here.
Okay, so just a quick question for you. Ano ang biggest difference ni Sevi at ni Pipo?
Dito si Pipo, he's more KJ siya dito eh. So he's the more responsible and he doesn't like to be adventurous. Siya yung may mga alam na nangyayaring masama sa parola. So he's the one who's gonna warn mga barkada dito.
Alright, thank you so much. Gab, next in line ay kilala as the nation's favorite Tita Ninang Sam and Six Guys Archer. But this time we'll get to know her as the bubbly and life of the party Cora, who also has a cat-dog relationship with Timmy. Everybody please welcome Aubrey Caraan. Mom?
Hello everyone, I'm Aubrey Caraan. Thank you for coming po and for joining us today.
Alright, Aubrey, of course, tumatak sa isip namin yung pagganap ko bilang Sam. No? So now, from happy and kilig, ngayon naman, nag-change in genre to takot naman. So how was the change in genre for you?
Well, yung horror naman is not new to me kasi nag-start ako sa Viva series na horror. So, it's good to be back sa horror ulit. And masaya ako na nabibigyan naman ng Viva ng opportunities na magkaroon ng mga series na iba't iba yung genre. So, great.
Exactly. Masaya nga mag-shoot ng horror. Alright! Magkukwentuhan tayo ulit in just a little bit. Maraming salamat. Aubrey, up next is a dedicated and gorgeous actress na very fresh pa sa successful role niya as Yana in Six Guys Archer. From kilig to tilig, paano niya kaya kukunin ang ating mga puso? Let us all welcome Krisha Viaje as Bitch. Ang bait na anak at pamangkin, caring na kaibigan at higit sa lahat, faithful partner ni Arlo. Good afternoon, Krisha.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Here.
Hello, of course, maraming nasiyahan na magbabalik ang Krish Rome sa Viva One Original Series kasi syempre nasanay kami na lovey-dovey kayo ni Jerome, right? So ngayon naman, how did you prepare for this character na horror? You're in a horror series.
Actually, di madaling matakot dun sa set kasi sa set talaga very scary na rin yung vibe and ambience. And also pati kapag kami eksena kaming mga mumu, talaga nakikripihan na talaga kami. So it's not really hard to prepare for the gulat scenes. Pero may lovey-dovey pa din dito, so don't worry about that. Yeah, marami pa rin aabangan.
Great, that is great. Maraming salamat, Trisha. And last but certainly not the least, ang sasama sa ating ngayong hapon is a multi-talented actor na sobrang fresh din from the success of Save Skies Archer, where he played the role of Captain Akihiro Juarez, and Road Killers, where he played the role of Marco. Now let us welcome him as a carefree, palabiro, but affectionate Arlo, who is also a very sweet boyfriend to Mitch. Everybody put your hands together for Jerome Ponce! Hi Jerome, kamusta ka naman these days? How are you doing?
I'm good. Hi guys. Good afternoon.
Yeah, and of course we all know you as having a very wide acting range. Paano ka naman ngayon as Arlo sa Sembreak?
Doing Arlo is very yung binigyan sa description is kung ano lang yun, very loving boyfriend. Wala pa silang about sinabi sa background ng family. Until then, ginawa namin along the way ng mga something na different sa mga characters na ginawa ko. And even me, as an assignment yun na kailangan iba siya sa mga ginawa ko.
So you developed it along the way lang.
Yes.
And nahirapan ka ba sa horror genre? Manakot at matakot? Was it difficult?
Nakakapaos, tsaka nakakapuyat. Kasi more on gabi siya eh. Gabi namin siya sinushoot, tapos kasama pa yung mga sigawan. Nakaka-excite kasi si Dumo may lalabas yung, kumbaga, more than 5 na mga expressions. So lahat ng 1 to 5 tanggal siya, puro 5 to 10. So,
wow! Okay, syempre abangan natin lahat yan. Now, let's have a group photo. May I ask the cast and the